Hello and welcome back to Abby's Home Kitchen. Today's recipe is an all-wheat banana bread. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, and I do hope you enjoy. So I'm starting with 3 large bananas. This is an overripe bananas, and I'm just going to mash them. If you want, you can also blend this. It's going to give you the same result. Then I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 large eggs, half cup of oil, and I'm just going to mix these together so that the sugar can dissolve. Now I'm adding some vanilla extract, 2 cups of buttermilk. I'm also going to mix this together. Now I'm adding some raisins. You can choose whatever dried fruits you want. Now I'm adding 3 cups of all wheat flour from Harvest Moon Meals and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Always make sure you sieve your flour before using, okay? Now I'm going to pour that into my already lined baking pan. And what I'm just going to do here would be to bake it in an already preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Usually I like to check in between, and I do a test by, dipping, either a dry fork or spoon or a toothpick at the center and at the, some edges, just to check that it's dry inside. So you want to try that test also. And once you do that, you have your beautiful, tasty, whole wheat banana bread. I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button. And if you're also a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please, if you like this video, remember to click the like button, share your comments. I would really love to read those comments, and also do not forget to share my videos. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much once again. You can also find me on Instagram at Abby's Home Kitchen. Thank you. I see you next time.